Hello students, greetings from first year engineering department, St. John College of Engineering and Management. Myself Avinash Chavan from first year engineering department. I am going to tell you three important things. First one, how to add email ID provided by the college in a Google account in your phones. Second thing, how to use Google Meet for online learning. And third thing, how to use Google Classroom. So let us start with the first thing, how to add email ID given by college in your Google account. For that, what you need to do, you have to just go to phone settings. By clicking on the setting symbol, you can get a option Google in your phone. So by clicking on that option, you will be getting different accounts available in your phone. So here by clicking on the arrow over here, you are getting the different accounts available in your phone. So whenever you want to add a particular account, you have to just click on add another account. So by clicking on that, it will ask you a certain pin if it is provided. So after that, you have to just put the email ID provided by the college and password provided along with that, and then the account will be set in your phone. So already I am having such an account in my phone. Let me try that. So it is telling me the account already exists on your device. So but if it is not in the device, so it will ask the password. So by typing the password over there, you have to just go next, and the account will be set in your phone. Okay, now I hope the first point is clear to everyone. Now we are switching to the another point. The next point is how to use Google Classroom and Google Meet. First, we are understanding how to use a Google Meet. So, for using Google Meet application and Google Class application, both the applications should be in your device. So, for downloading that applications, you have to just open your Play Store. Play Store application already available in the all the Android phones. By clicking on by selecting the by opening the application Play Store, you have to just search here for the Meet. So you are getting the applications, and you have to just download that application. If already it is there, then you have to update it. And the similar way, you have to download the application Google Class by simply typing class. You will getting a Google Classroom here. So already it is in my phone, so it is asking for the updates. So I have to click on the update, and in your phone application is not there, then you have to click on a download. Here you will be getting option download instead of update here. So after clicking on download, the application will be downloaded in your phone, and it will be ready for the use. So after downloading such applications, now we will see how to use a Google Meet application. So already I have downloaded that application. So here is the Google Meet application. I'm opening that application. So you can see here, this is nothing but the icon of a particular email ID. So whenever I have to change the email ID, so I have to click on this icon and I have to select a particular email ID. So if I want to use this one, so I have to click this email ID. And now we have to change it to the email ID provided by the college. So I have been provided the email ID, it is this. So I have to click on this. So the account set for using Google Meet is the account provided by the college. I hope you are clear with this. And whenever the link will be provided in a WhatsApp group for joining a particular lecture, you have to do a simple thing. For example, here the link is available for joining the meeting. At last, this is the link for joining the meeting. It will ask me which account I have to use for joining the Google Meet. So I have to just simply select the account provided by the college. I have to click on that. So now you can see here I am joining. I am joining as a Avinash C at the rate sjcm.edu.in. That is nothing but the account provided by the college. So here, before starting the meeting, you can click on camera. You put your camera off and mic off before joining the meet. You have to click on join. So here, in this way, you will be able to join in the meeting at the time of the lecture. The professor will be available, and the another students will be also available for the lecture purpose. And after completing the lectures, faculty will request you to go out of the meeting. So you have to just click on this icon so you can come out of the meeting. Fine. And let me tell you some important points. You have to do the login for complete session. You should be there in the meeting for a complete time. You have to just be aware. If you will not be available for a whole time, then it may consider your absenteeism in the lecture. Now, I think it is enough explanation for using Google Meet. Now I'm switching for the third point, how to use a Google Classroom. So that application is also there in my phone. I have downloaded it. So here is the application, Google Classroom. So I'm just clicking on the icon. If you have accepted the request for joining class, then the class will be shown in your account. So now I have sent to A division student particular link for joining the Google Classroom. So invitation for the joining Google Classroom. So they have joined here and they may be showing this, and respective division students may be joining their respective subjects in their accounts. So by clicking on particular subjects, different things will be available in that subject class provided by the faculties. Let me show you one example. Here in the class, different announcement, different things provided by the faculties are available over here. Let me show you one another example. You can see here assignments provided by the faculties, study material provided by the faculties are available in the Google Classroom. The detailed use of Google Classroom will be uh, told by your respective faculties also, respective subject faculties also. Now I think this is also enough explanation of the Google Classroom. If you are having a more interest, then you can surely go on YouTube and search different application. You search different videos how to use Google Class, then you will be getting a more clarity of that. Now I'm finishing the video. Thank you.